stove to stomach. This morning I will be doing a simple Italian with a little twist to my likings. Okay, ingredients will be used today in this preparation is a little garlic, which is chopped, a little onions already chopped, a little celery also, and this is my turkey meatball, some chopped red and yellow bell pepper. These are the spice seasoning that I'll be using. A little Italian basil, paprika, and seasoned roux, a little salt, and my olive virgin oil. And so now I put my pasta into the pot that will be boiling. Here I will pour a little olive oil into the stove. Not too much. You do not want to have too much for it to be greasy. So I poured in a little, left that for cooking, and here I'll be adding my seasoning for my garlic. And then I'll make sure that I cut the flame. Make sure your flame is really cut. I don't want it to burn the flame. So, cover it up. Cut the flame as low as you possibly can. Okay. Then I'll add my spice. Okay, then I'll add my spice. You can smell that lovely aroma coming from the added ingredients. Here I add a little celery. About a minute or two. You ensure that everything is evenly distributed so all the flavors are incorporated. As always said, there's no standard way to any preparation of your meal. Your meal is how you want it to look and taste. The taste and the presentation to the eye is very important. So you make sure it looks pretty and the taste. So there's no rule to it. Now I incorporate my turkey meatball with our guys. If you want, when you're eating, it's easily, placed in your mouth. It's just called this bite size. So I just cut them in bite size portions. Okay, and evenly incorporate all in. So it's already pre-cooked. Okay, turkey is already pre-cooked. So there you can smell that. Okay, leave it for about 4 or 5 minutes so that it can marinate and all the taste So we're back. Now this has been set aside. The pasta is now cooked. Remove from the stove. We take it to the sink. Pour it out in the colander. And so for the cooling down process, So this is just coming up. That's something that is needed for me. So water. So you're coming down. Get the extra carbohydrate. That is remaining. So we put it down. Okay. Drain the excess water. Okay. Now, so this is a bigger pot. I'll be using, and I pour a little olive oil in. I make a transfer. Be placing my pasta in. Even distributing, so get out. And as I said, there's no special rule. It is how you want your things. They're meant to be prepared, and the look of it. So, you know, someone might say, "Oh, that's not how it is done. That's not how you do this." But as I said, there's no rule to it. So it's depending on what the outcome that you're expecting. Okay, you can put a little bit more. Ah, it's looking good. It's looking good. Let it lock in the flavor from all those onion. This time I'll be sprinkling a little cloves, just a little for your enhanced taste. A little ground ginger for those who has trouble with food after you eat. Sometimes you have a little hangover. It's this is good to settle. Just a little, don't need much, just a little. It's needed. How can I forget? Now we're doing tomato, a little tomato ketchup. And it doesn't matter which brand you use. You evenly distribute it as you go. It's coming on. It's coming on. Now, go now. This is a good girl. This is a good girl. This is a good girl. Basil and tomato. So ready with it. The sprinkle. It all depends on how much you want. What is your results? Oh wow! You should be in the kitchen. The smell, oh my God! And they say the smell is always wow. That's a little bit too much there, but that's okay. To top it off, pasta can never be nice without the cheese, so this is a little cheese. Sort of. Wow. Yes, there we go. Okay. So we're gonna leave that for a minute or two. Give it 3 minutes. I'll be back for presentation. Okay, here we go. This is the finished product. Okay, we have now finished our preparation and it's now time for the serving. So come with me as we serve and for the eat. So we take some there. We now share. We have now served, and from stove to stomach, and it's ready to be eaten. Look at that! Look at that! And today, my presentation to my eaters: tomato in pasta garden. So today my tomato is hidden in a garden of pasta, ready to be eaten. Enjoy, like, subscribe, and share. Have a great day. And my friends, just to share with you today, we have now come to the end of preparation, and it is a tomato in pasta garden. Have a great day. Enjoying. You go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. Okay? Enjoy eating.